Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I've got another video going on behind me, but I wanted to share an idea I had, and that was my last Fatwood Friday, which I shot just down the trail here. I was thinking about putting the fatwood down against an object instead of right on the ground where it could, well, for one thing, the piece I have is, kind of, carved to a point, but also I didn't want to push that point into the dirt where it could soak up moisture, because moisture just is not friend to fire. And so what I came up with was a dollar store cutting board. I was thinking of the benefits of the cutting board is, for one thing, I now have a surface to put down fatwood, so that's one thing. But also when I'm batoning, I notice sometimes when I'm batoning on a trip I did a couple weeks ago, every time I go to baton, it would drive the fuel into the wood. So with this, I could put this down, put the fuel on top, and it would disperse the weight and hopefully not get driven into the dirt. So that was another reason. And there's also some other benefits. You can prep food on these. You could bring out meat or vegetables, and you have a work surface that's clean. You could bring out fruit if you wanted to. Now to purify it in the field, what I would do is I would just boil some water, just pour the water pour the hot water over this, and just simply either hang it on a branch or put a little paracord and just hang it up to dry. And so yeah, so you have an improvised plate, you have a work surface to cut on, you're not going to damage your knives, you're not going to worry about your knives cutting into the ground. And I couldn't think of any reason not to bring it. By the way, it was $1, so it was only $1 for this, and it was super thin. I think the scale said it was like 4 ounces, super lightweight. I just think it's a win all the way around. And yeah, you'll probably be seeing it in a few videos, and it's so, because it's so thin that it's gonna be, I can just slide it right in the back of the pack, no problems. So I thought I'd share that quick idea. Dollar store cutting board. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will catch you in the next one.